Hi, here's a demonstration on how to clean a building like this. This has got lots of algae and muck on there. Now this is pretty dirty. It's a north-facing elevation, and there's trees overhanging as well, which is perfect environment for mold and algae to grow in. So I'm going to look at cleaning this in 3 different ways. So first of all, I'm going to look at hot water coming from a thermopure. I've got a brush on here, and I'm just going to give it a few passes and see how many it takes to get clean. Doing a bad job. There we go, that's all gone there. Moving down. So it's clean, it's done a good job there, but it has taken quite a few passes, quite a lot of effort to do that. So we're going to look at 2 other ways on how to clean this now with some surfactant and a spray. So this is what we did with the first pass. This is just hot water, moving along to a similar section of the wall. Now for this example, we're going to apply a foam, and that's using a surfactant and the Thermion machine to deliver pure water at 80 degrees onto the surface. The foam will let the hot water stay in contact, and then we need to use the brushes for a single pass to take that off. Let's see how we get on. So I'm just applying this here now, making sure that the foam gets into all the corrugations. Nice and even. The foam here locks in the heat. So we're going to leave this now for about 10 minutes, and we're going to come back and wash it off. So I've given this about 10 minutes to sit there with the foam locking the heat against all the dirt. Now I'm going to run the brush over it and see how we get on. Now you can see just with a couple of passes there how different that is. That's really come off, and that's much easier. So now for the 3rd way to clean this surface, we're going to be using Ionic's contact cleaner. We're also going to be using heated water from the Thermion machine, and the heat will activate the contact cleaner. Let's see how we get on here. So now I'm applying a chemical. And the beauty of the foam is that there's no overspray. Really accurate, getting into all of the corrugated sections of this cladding. I'm applying it in a similar way to the other foam. So the contact cleaner's had about 10 minutes on here, and the foam's kept it against the building. We're going to see how easy it is now to wash off with the brush and also with a spray nozzle. And now we're going to see how it cleans with the spray nozzle. We might use this if we can't use a brush on an area. A great thing about using the contact foam cleaner is that it helps prevent the regrowth of spores, meaning that it stays clean longer.